Hi. Today I will show in this tutorial how to extract or export your passwords from Google Chrome so that you can transfer them to another web browser. Let's open Google Chrome. And in the upper right corner, click on the dotted three-dot icon with the left button. Here select Settings. Now you need to select and click Passwords. In this section you can copy, change, delete each password separately. You only need to click a dotted three-dot icon next to each password. To export all passwords into one document, select the top dotted icon in the section, click and then select Export Passwords, click Export Passwords again, and in this window you need to enter the PIN code or password of your Windows account. Now you need to save this file in a convenient place for you. By default it will be saved as a CVS file. Then you can import your passwords into another browser, or just save them in a safe place. Thanks a lot for watching my quick start guide. Good luck!